Today is the 13th of June 2011, and it is time for a reunion. And I'm here with Julie, Budgie and Budgie's mum, and of course Ray, their father, we can use that term. And it is time for two little birdies to come into their life, and they've brought here two lovely budgies, mauve budgies. We've got Snoopy and Peabo. So we're going to have a look at them and do what we call a post-purchase check. So we'll just go very calmly, just very calmly, just very calmly, just very calmly, very calm, very calm, very calm. And we'll say hello to you, hello to you.
That's Peabo.
Peabo. We got you, Peabo. Greetings. Greetings, baby. Greetings, baby. Greetings, baby. Hello, Peabo. These little budgies are about 6 weeks of age. They're just, they're able to feed themselves, but they need to be shown where the food is, basically, at the moment. And they're still they're still learning how to climb ladders and things in the cage. They've only been separated from their source, the breeder, for about what's going on 3 days now.
So does that mean that they were separated from their mum?
Well, she probably had just separated, just weaned them, I would suspect, but I don't know. Anyway.
And he is a little boy.
Yes, I'm not seeing any brown around the nostrils or cream around the nostrils. I look at the actual nares, the nostrils, rather than just the cere at this age, and I look for any cream or brown within a millimetre or two of the nostrils. But certainly at this stage it looks like they're both boys. Well, this one's a boy anyway, and I'll look at the other one in a moment. And then I'll do some other evaluations.
So you see what I mean? When you see the two compared, Peabo's markings, that stripe either side is more defined.
Right, just quietly, okay.
I think it is Peabo.
Oh, I see what you mean. Just quietly, 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 quietly. Quietly, quietly. You beautiful birdie. Okay, well, I'm just going to get on with the physical examination. The first thing that we see is that the pups are tending to stick to the feathers, and there's quite a lot of soiling around the vent, which concerns me. And you very kindly brought me a Peabo pup from this morning. So there's a Peabo pup, and it's not a normal pup. Whereas the other budgies, pup, Snoopies, to the naked eye, do look normal. So we have reason to suspect that there is a health problem in this little budgie immediately, and it's going to be up to seeing what we can do to identify it and fix it. So first thing there, so a stained vent. Okay, now he's got all the appearances of a very young bird, with still got the dark area in the tip of the beak. His face is nice and clean. His eyes are clean at the moment. That's all good. Nostrils are nice and clean. There's no evidence of sneezing or anything like that I can see. There's no staining of the feathers above the nostrils. There's no staining here. So all that is good. I'm just going to hold him up to light and see if I see any feather mites. And I'm not recognising any. Actually, I do think there are some. I don't want to cut the feather. I think there are some feather mites on this.
Is that common?
Very common.
Because they come out of an aviary, right?
Yeah. Very, very common. So I think you do have some feather mites there, but there's only one row not multiple rows of them parked along the
So
base
not an
there.
infestation as such as you
Yeah, it's
call
early,
it.
what I'd call early. Okay, just calm. Gentle. You can do it. You can do it. Just calm. Just calm. You can do it.
I love that.
You can be a beautiful baby. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You beautiful baby. Oh, you love being bathed in love.
He's a beautiful cow.
You love being bathed in love. Oh,
He
yes,
chirps
you
and-
do. Yes, you do. You love. Oh, yes, you do. Hey, you just love being bathed in love. You just love being bathed in love. Just quietly. Just quietly. Just quietly. You love being bathed in love.
Isn't he beautiful boy?
Just beautiful.
He's
Okay,
beautiful, isn't
you
he?
just get it. Get it together. Wait a minute. Just calm. Just shh. Oh, it's all right. It's all
So lovely seeing these birds. I've yet to try it on a human. I've yet to try it on a human, I tell you. Everybody wants to know.
Really good, yeah. Okay, all right. Physically, his tummy is concave, which it should be. His pectoral muscles are rounded, which they should be. And if I can get the batteries ran out of another one yesterday. Public holiday. And we're getting a weight of about 37 grams. 37 grams. Okay, Peabo. Right. What I'll just run the stethoscope over him, and then we'll plan to do a crop wash in a moment. But not yet. Not yet. We'll look at the poop first of all. You can lie there. Quietly. Shh, shh. Peabo. Calm down. Peabo. Calm. Okay.
He's a beautiful boy.
Sounds pretty good to me. Sounds pretty good to me. Steady, calm. Okay. The poop he's just done is much better. Right?
So could that, yes, it's got a bit of form, hasn't it?
That one here.
So could it be related to just the
Stress.
stress, you know, and the
Yeah,
getting
well,
him
we'll
out
find
of
out, but
separating from